good afternoon again, guys. Since they already discussed about the origin of the dances according to the Filipino region. So let's proceed now to dances in the Philippines. Dances in the Philippines. First, we have Sayaw sa Bangko. Sayaw sa Bangko or dance on a narrow bench. It's means this Sayaw sa Bangko means dance on a narrow bench. And it's a Philippine folk dance originated from Pangasinan province, and it is characterized by couple dances, dancing on a bench or dancing on a narrow bench. And they showcase balance, coordination of a couple, and skill as they move and exchange without falling. Like dinalag sila og kanang demonstrating skills, and nagkalan sila nga mo kanang coordination sa duha ka dancers like couple. Kailan sila o kanang mag-balance yun kay if ever mahulog na sila kanang masayop sila mga steps. So it is very risky good kay as I know the widen of the kanang ilang sayawan kay it's all about 6 inches lang siya. So they need to demonstrate agility and teamwork, and the dancers must be balanced, and so the dancers must be careful. Next we have Carinyosa. Can everybody read the Carinyosa?
It's a dance made of flirting. Dancers make flirtatious movements as they hide behind fans or handkerchiefs and peek out at one another. The essence of the dance is courtship between two sweethearts.
So it is the Carinyosa is flirtatious movements. The Carinyosa is a popular folk dance in the Philippines, originated on the Panay Island during the Spanish colonial period, and it's a part of the choreographed suite of Philippine folk dances, which used introduction during the Spanish colonization. So the Carinyosa dance is characterized also two dances, which is a man and a woman. The woman is very demure kasi sa mga sayang, diba? Kasi sa kita sa mga events like sa buwan ng wika, ang way kay ang lamang kamot is very demure to kayo kanang they glances, they quick glances, ang lamang kamot is kanang mga paypay, magalit o ganang mga fan, and then the boy also flirting also the woman. Next is Titik-Titik dance. Titik-Titik dance is a dance from Surigao in which the movements of the dance are depicted, and it is a species of dance. So it is specifically said to have originated in the town of Cantilan, province of Surigao del Norte in Mindanao, and it is a mimetic dance, meaning it imitates the movements of a specific animal like adak. Animal duck. Or itik in Tagalog. So as I know, the itik dance is said to have originated by a woman named Kana. Kasi Kana kay Kana, ang woman, ang name niya is Kana. Kanang ihang name. So while Kanang dances a sibay dance, which is bird dance pa, sibay ang tawag. Was inspired by the sight of the when she saw Adam, so while Kanang inspired siya sa imitate the movements of them. So that's why it leads to creating the dance. And then this Kanang Manggon she is a skilled dancer. Was performing the sibay dance at the baptismal party, which is on the small also the itik-itik dance is also performing during festival gatherings, social gatherings. Next, we have Maglati. Right. Okay, everybody read please.
Coconut shell moths are attached to the heads, back and knees of male dancers who weave those shells with shell house attached to their hands. The melodic dance is said to have originated in Laguna Province.
Just again, the dance is originated from Laguna province, which is in Binyan town. And then they fix mock battle between the Moro and the Christian tribes. Moro means a Muslim. Battle with Christian tribes. Itawag na siya mock battle because it portrays a mock war between the Moro and the Christian tribes, traditionally over the prize coconut residue or latik. The Maglalatik dance is not just an entertainment, but it also symbolizes a conflict and eventual reconciliation between the groups, reflecting a historical context of religious and tribal tensions in the Philippines. So the dancers, as we sa pamakita nyo ng mga performance, mag-wear silang mga bagol. So when pagkakapta ang mga bagol, it can create rhythmic sounds. Diba? And next we have lastly we have Pandago sa Ilaw. Pandago sa Ilaw, can everybody read please? Wait. Everybody read please.
Pandango sa ilaw is similar to Spanish pandango, but the pandango is performed while balancing three oil lamps. One is a very popular folk dance in the Philippines. It is
Said to have originated from Mindoro, the seventh largest island in the Philippines. This dance of lights simulates fireflies and dust and at night. So sa folk dance, again, it is a Filipino dance originated from the Lubang Island, Mindoro. It is lively dance that simulates the movements of fireflies in the dust and down. And doon, ano ba? Kadlawon o ganang kuna medyo ngipit lang. May mga na. So, the dancers balancing the lights. The dancers balancing the lights. We discussed the Kumelo kanina. Itong last low lights on their left hands and right hands and also their head. The dance is performed to a 3/5 beat and is known for its pace and balance. The Pandago sa Ilaw is a derivation of the Spanish Pandango adapted and evolved in the Philippines. And the dance is said to have symbolized resilience and the ability of person to shine even in challenges and even in challenging time. Dancers typically reflecting the Filipino culture and heritage. Dancers typically often perform during the celebration and social gatherings. Ang pagkakapan ko sa ilaw is nakita silang similarities with Pandago sa Uwasiwas which discussed by Ms. Martin.